Okay, I never made a video about this, but I saw a lot of posts from different people commenting on how to pour metal into an ingot. This is a mold that I've used for 40 plus years. Okay, so we're gonna pour some metal into it. For wire, we're gonna close it up to about this. We're gonna put this on. Make sure it's down like that. I use a Hulk torch. I've used it for 40 plus years. When I started in the business, this is pretty much the common torch that was used in Chicago Jewelers Row by hundreds, not thousands of jewelers that I saw working there. As far as heating up the mold, I want to heat up the mold I'm going to put a little bit of a slant on it. Just enough to get the moisture from inside that chamber. Not much more than that. I just want to make sure there is no moisture inside there. So I'm going to heat that up like that. No more than that. Some people were commenting that you need to heat it a lot. You need to heat it so much. I never did. Maybe some people feel the necessity for it. I really don't see why. Whatever works for you, I guess. But like I said, I don't heat it that much at all. I just make sure that there's no moisture inside there, because if there is moisture in there, you're pouring molten metal in there, it could pop back. It'll blow up. It'll explode, and you'll get granules of metal everywhere. Okay, what I dress the mold with is usually this. I think it's just wax with some oil in it, but it works well for me. That's what I've always used. I can put a little bit on there, and then we're gonna melt our metal. We're gonna melt this guy down because it didn't pour very well. It didn't have it closed, and some of it flushed out over there. This is 14 karat white gold. Again, I'm using my Hulk torch, propane and oxygen. I'm gonna heat can you see the spoon? I'm gonna heat the spoon itself, melt my gold. Make sure that keep your flame moving. You want to make sure that the spoon is nice and hot. Okay, here I took it up. My ingot mold is nice and dry. There's no metal, there's no heat in it. And when you pour it, you just gotta practice it. You kind of drop it in there. Missed it a little bit, but that's fine. It's full. And that's it. Now, it's not that hot. As you can see, I can handle it with my fingers. And there you go. Thank you very much. Like the video, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll answer whatever questions I can. Here to help. Thank you.